I'm Steve Williams, and this is Scooter and the Sticks. Today I'm going to talk about an issue that comes up for a lot of older riders, and it's the fact that they have a hard time getting on and off bikes because they can't swing their leg over anymore. And I certainly have trouble with that too. I can get over it, but man, it hurts. And as I get older, it's going to be increasingly difficult. And some people say, oh, throw your leg up over this way, but I can't do that. So my friend Paul saw me struggling on the Himalayan, and he said, get on Cowboy style. And I was like, what's that? And he told me, and basically put your left foot on the left peg, stand up, and man, that is easy. It'd be easier if I put this pillion peg up too. And the same getting off. Stand up, and you can easily get on and off that way. So it's something you want to consider if you're having trouble getting on and off your motorcycle because the seat's too high. But it's made a real difference for me. So anyway, that wraps up another episode of Scooter and the Sticks, and I'm going to go off for a ride now. So be safe, ride well, and I'll see you next time.
Mm-hmm.